Welcome to the CHRS Absence Management tutorial on how employees request absences and view their absence requests. You can use the topics in the notes for this video to jump to specific sections within the video. Closed captions are available for this presentation. Click on the CC icon in the play bar to enable closed captions. To access absence requests, log into the campus portal and select Employee Homepage in the Titan Online widget. Select Fullerton as the campus, then click Log In. Then select CSU Time. Click Request Absences in the left menu. Click on the Absence Name drop-down menu. Then select the type of absence you want to create. The begin date automatically defaults to today's date, but you can type in a date or use the calendar button to select a date. Absence requests can be entered for dates in the past as long as the pay period has not closed. You can also enter future date absences, such as for a future vacation. Select the first day of your absence. By default, the end date will be set to the same date as the begin date. Let's use the calendar icon to change it. In this example, I'm going to choose October 31st as the end date for the absence. Note that even though I included weekends in my absence request, CHRS knows that I don't work on weekends, so it is correctly showing a duration of 56 hours for the 7 work days that I will be on vacation. You can also include holidays or other non-work days in your absence request, and CHRS will know not to include those hours in the duration. However, you cannot have a begin date or end date that is a holiday or non-work day. Now let's look at applying partial hours to this absence by clicking on Partial Days. Click on the Partial Days drop-down and select the type of partial hours to apply: to all days in the absence request, to the end day only, to the start date only, or to the start and end days. In this example, I left early on the start date of my absence, so I'm going to select Start Day Only. Now I'll enter the number of hours that I didn't work on that start day. In this example, I worked 4 hours, so I have an absence of 4 hours. Click Done when you are finished. Click Forecast to check that you have enough leave credits for the absence. Click OK when you get a successfully forecasted message. If you get an error message indicating that you don't have enough credits to cover the absence, contact your department timekeeper or payroll for assistance. You can enter an optional comment about the absence if you would like. And if you need to attach any documentation for your absence, such as a jury service certificate, you can click Add Attachment and upload a file from your computer. Then click Submit to submit your request. Click Yes to confirm your submission. You'll see a message that the absence was submitted successfully. You will also get an email confirmation of your submission, and you'll get email notifications when your manager approves, denies, or sends the request back to you for correction. To view your absence requests, click on View Requests. You can see the status of each of your absence requests. Click on an absence request to view more details. In this example, I can see one of my absence requests has been pushed back to me for correction, so I'll select that one. Since this request has been sent back to me, I can make any necessary corrections and resubmit it. Unfortunately, you will not see the approver's comments as to why the request was sent back to you on this screen, but it will be in the email that you receive notifying you about the request being sent back. To go back to your list of absences, click CSU Time. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please see the notes for this video for links to training guides and resources.